This is Petey. Petey has allergic dermatitis, and 80% of dogs with allergies will have secondary infections. The leathery skin is very typical of either bacteria or yeast malassezia. We need to collect a sample to look under the microscope for microscopic cytology to determine if we have yeast malassezia or bacteria or both. Tape is a really useful sample collection device and is readily available. The tape that we use must be the crystal clear tape and not the magic or frosted tape to accurately identify organisms. The tape is very useful because it can be applied in between toes and on sensitive parts of the skin. We then use DocItchy stain, which is ubiquitous in most veterinary clinics. Many people will dangle the tape off the edge of the slide and then go through the customary 6 to 10 dips per each stain. One of the problems with this is that it's very messy and labor intensive. Also, the very first stain is an alcohol fixative, which can dissolve the adhesive on the tape, making it fall off the slide. The tape can be flipped over and adhered to the slide. The excess stain can be dabbed off with a paper towel by inverting the slide and applying pressure. You can see how messy this technique is by the stained fingers. Way too often, cytology is not collected and examined under the microscope because of the labor-intensive and messy nature of the process. A much better technique can be developed, which is quick and just as accurate with much less effort and time. The third stain in the DocItchy 3 set actually is all that's needed to stain all of the bacteria, Staphylococcus, the yeast, and the white blood cells that we need to observe for most dermatologic cases. The tape can be used to collect the sample, and then a drop of the third purple stain applied to the slide and the tape pressed on top. The excess stain can be dabbed off by inverting the slide on a paper towel to remove the excess stain. The slide is ready to be examined under the microscope, and we'll find out what infection Petey has. Remember, your vet's the expert on your pet. Visit DocItchy.com for more information.